Hi there. After the student has submitted their work, on time in this case, teacher is now able to grade and give feedback. If a student submits their work late, that will be up to the teacher's policies of lateness. Teacher will still be able to grade and give feedback accordingly. Under the tab Classwork, the teacher can click on the assignment and would have the ability to see how many students have completed the assignment, how many have turned it in, and alternatively, how many have not yet turned it in. In this case, we click on Turned In section and see on the left side which students have turned in the assignment, and if there are more students in the class, those names will be listed on the side, either under the Turned In section or under the Not Turned In section. Right now, the student doesn't have a grade because the teacher hasn't given a grade yet. In order for a teacher to grade, the teacher can simply click on the document that was assigned. In this case, it's a Google document, and that document will open, and this is the document that was edited by the student. In this case, the student has left the document blank with no answers. The teacher will probably want to let the student know that they have not completed the assignment. There are a number of different ways to enter this information. Here on the side, you have a grading option. So here we're going to give the student a 0. They didn't complete any of the questions. Teacher can post a private comment, something along the lines of your student, your assignment is incomplete. If the teacher's policy is that the student has an opportunity to make up their assignment, please fill in the missing answers. And that can be posted. The student will get that message. And when the teacher's ready to return the grade with the feedback, the teacher can click Return. Page. Teacher can see 1 has been graded. Student's grade is posted here. If we go back to the student view, student can see that it's been graded. They can see their comment here. They can see the grade. And if there's an opportunity to resubmit, that